In the name of Allah. Hello dear friends, welcome to this tutorial. What do you want to say in this tutorial clip? Introduction. Number 1. Implement rating in comment form WordPress. For example, this picture you see name, email, website, phone number, and result to this picture rating and added rating 5 stars. Number 1. Continue. Number 2. Show the rating section in the site admin panel WordPress. For example, this picture URL cell phone. I suggest before watch this clip and tutorial clip and point up and go to watch clip before, because you before clip at cell phone and you know and you learn about cell phone. Now continue this picture result. This picture added rating, for example 5, and you can change it rating in admin panel. Continue. Number 3. Implement rating on each comment WordPress. For example, you see all of the comments and the result to go, and you see in each comment and added comment rating. Okay. Number 4. Admin panel at the column corner to display our favorite field rating. For example, this picture you see other comment in response to and submit on all of the columns and result, and you see all other comments submitted on and added rating 5/5 35 3/5. So if you want to know how to implement rating in comment form and show the rating section in the site admin panel and implement rating on each comment and admin panel at the column corner to display our favorite fields in WordPress, join me. The first, implement rating in comment form WordPress. Continue. Before I start tutorial clip, review before clip. For example, we have function files and comment list. Okay, in function, in the save comment meta form, comment ID, and verify comment error, and require fields phone, and comment panel admin boxes. It's very crowded and not good object oriented. Okay, and we need added file and change it object oriented. For example, ink and new add PHP file. For example, WL setup and okay, and function in the function save comment 4 and cut and W setup we, and now callback W setup, for example, require once, dir main, and file, okay, dot, okay, address, name file, inc slash wl setup, okay, and the callback w setup, and refresh and not change, okay, it's very good. Run. Okay, continue. Number 1, implement rating. We need to double setup if empty post, comment ID, and empty post phone, okay, and control D and post rating, and phone add comment ID, post rating, and add comment meta rating. Now we need 2 actions, for example, function additional fields. We need function additional fields, okay, and action additional fields, for example, comment form login in after, or and comment form after fields. All of the action additional fields. I try no long time tutorial, continue typing, okay, add action, comment form logged in after, additional fields, and add action comment form after fields, comment form after fields, and additional fields. Okay, continue, and PHP close, and PHP, okay, and the first class comment form rating. The first definition comment form rating. After run the rating and the test rating, added CSS, very beautiful. Now P class comment form rating class, and label for rating label for rating, and span class star rating. Now open PHP, and we need for for example, for each for end and echo input ID rating. We need echo input ID, radio button, and get ID. For $i equals 5, and the $i larger equals 1, and larger, and the $i minus, and because not long time tutorial, and speed type writing. In fact, echo input rating $i, and type radio, and name rating, value $i, and for rating $i label. Now continue, and refresh and test. Refresh, okay, for example, Farhad, comment and name Farhad, and email farhad@f.go, website ID and the phone 4443 and rating, for example, and the post. Okay, Farhadid, and comment login and refresh and Farhad. Okay, edit and C58. Okay, in localhost, refresh and down 58 and phone 44434 and rating 3. Okay, you know how to add the rating in comment. Now, number 2. Should the rating section in the site admin panel WordPress? Okay, add rating in admin panel. The first, the add meta boxes and the need tr, added tr and tr label phone rating first number name rating and echo phone rating, of course definition rating, ID rating, definition rating in get comment meta, and phone rating. Okay, phone rating and refresh in edit. Okay, comments and edit. Okay, you see rating 3. Now we need to rating is a beautiful CSS for rating. For example, we use a star rating. Now continue to CSS comment. Okay, less and added CSS, and you see in form comment form rating and rating and star rating. The first comment form rating, copy and that we in this class we need with 100% and float left. After comment form rating and the function WL and label for rating class star rating. Okay, copy command list that star rating and float left, margin left 10px, margin left 10px, and starting rate input and display now, display now. Okay, and refresh and display now. Continue. Because you don't like time clip and speed write source code and result to you see. Now you see a starting reg not all label, starting not all label before, and starting not all label hover before and hover till the label before, and you see content F006. What's happened? Where is F006? And you can use font Abesam icon site fontabesam.com version 470 icons, and you see a star and go to before in this big element and go to before content F006, it's easy, F005, and all of the icons you see to same way. Now and Clipamooz, refresh, and you see in fact a star, 5-star, and it's very beautiful CSS. And test again, for example, FSS, name, SF, SSG, email, Stallone, website, phone 33665, and for example for rating and post comment. Okay, and refresh comment, edit, you see rating 43366, and after we need rating edit, for example to update, and okay, not change because it's not source code, added source code. We need now added source code in W setup, and the function w edit comment, if set post phone, control D, and rating, phone it post rating, in phone rating, and rating. Okay, it's easy. Refresh, for example, rating 2, and update and edit, refresh, rating 2. Okay, now number 3, implement rating on each comment WordPress. Continue with me. Now in comments, and you see W list comment, style, short ping, avatar size, and data. For example, and clear OL, okay, and the refresh, log out, and we don't see all of the comments. Okay, control Z and refresh. It's important, difficult, not customize style, short ping, avatar size, and data, and we need add rating into developer list comment. I want to change and customize a style, short ping, and avatar size. We need comeback function. For example, function Clipamooz comment, callback Clipamooz comment, Clipamooz comment. Okay, and W setup, and the first make function Clipamooz comment, and we use 3 argument, comment, argument, and depth. For example, after make function Clipamooz comment, for example, comment, arg, and depth, and in fact not change, and you don't see. But what happened? Refresh, and the var dump comments, for example. Okay, refresh, and the public comment ID, comment post ID, other email, for example, other URL, and all of the comments you see. For example, after comment, for example, arguments, and refresh, and you see Walker max dev style callback Clipamooz comment. Okay, and depth, for example, refresh. Okay, number 1 2 2 3 3 3 and 2 1 1 1. Okay, because you do not long time clip and continue, and after write coding and explain about it source. Now you see li. Okay, and comment other record fn, get comment other link, get avatar, and your comment is awaiting moderation, and edit comment link and comment text and comment reply link, and refresh. Okay, you see, and change it, customize comment on all of the comment. Now added rating to each other comments. In fact, added after edit and added rating, we need div class rating, div class rating. Now PHP code starting rating get comment meta dollar rating equals get comment meta and get comment ID rating and true. Get comment ID. Now use for $I0 to 5 and I plus plus. Now added li class and starting li class PHP if rating larger $I echo fi star and else echo fi star o, and finish li. Now test and refresh. For example, refresh and start, and you see all of the stars, for example, and you see right stars and rating, and but it's not good. CSS and continue, and CSS is very good. For example, in the CSS comment less end of rating dot rating and padding 5 px. Okay, and refresh 5 and padding all of the 5 px. Okay, rating padding 5 px. Okay, continue. Rating I and the rating I, refresh and control V. Okay, rating I. Okay, color 733 and refresh. It's good, and font size 20 px and margin right 5 px, margin right 5 px. It's good. Refresh. Okay, it's very good. It's very good, and it's beautiful CSS each other. Now this number for admin panel, add a column corner to display our favorite fields rating. Continue with me. Now we need, after function w edit comment, added the first function Clipamooz comment columns. For example, function Clipamooz comment columns, parameters columns, $column. Okay, the first column W rating, return columns, and Clipamooz comment columns. Now test refresh. Okay, and added rating columns. Now calculate rating after each comments. For example, function Clipamooz comment column, and Control D, added comment columns, and for example column. Okay, and column, an additional column, and added comment ID. Okay, if column equals WL rating, then rating $rating equals get comment meta comment ID rating and true. If get comment meta comment ID rating true not equal free, then get comment meta comment ID column 0 and semicolon. It finish echo rating. Add a filter Clipamooz comment column. Okay, add filter, managing comments custom column, add Clipamooz comment column, Clipamooz, and copy Clipamooz comment column, and refresh, and 10 and 2. Now continue and test and refresh. Okay, it's very good. 2/5 3/5 and 0 0 0, and thank you very much for this clip, and finish, and goodbye.